I don't have my own children. I don't want children, but I get to leave my intellectual and cognitive fingerprints on 100 kids a year who are going out and hopefully becoming more informed citizens and especially being change agents of the community. Poverty in education is a life and death matter. If I am getting kids prepared and competitive for college, then I'm setting them on a trajectory for a better, happier, healthier, longer life. There's a very strong sense of community in my classroom, like we're in this together. I try to cultivate sometimes a kind of like us against the world mentality, and I actually like how that works. If I'm excited about teaching, then they're excited about learning. If I'm not excited about teaching, why would they be excited about learning? If I walk in the class and say, today kids, we're going to look at models of government around the world and compare unitary government to federalist government. First of all, it's boring. Second of all, it has no relevance. Third of all, it doesn't hit them where they are. I start the government class by explaining to them that government is the most important thing in the world they'll ever study. And whether I believe that or not, who cares? They believe it. And I had this whole rant. It's like calculus cannot draft you into the military and send you to war. Spanish class cannot execute you. Only government can do that. So it's sales. Like teaching's 1/3 sales, 1/3 performance art, and then 1/3 actual instruction. There's moments of flow in the classroom where you have a learning target, the kids at the learning target, and you're making connections to the text and they're connecting to their own lives. And when those moments are flowing, they don't happen all the time. Like, I wish they happen more often, but when they happen, they're amazing. They are absolutely amazing. And then like the bell rings and everybody's like, oh, class is over already? And I'm like, yep, come back tomorrow, 23-hour break. Like those moments are great.